Hello everybody. Today I got a Connex 4400 Turbo sent to me by Earnest in Texas. Asked me to give him a tune-up. There was previously no audio limiter installed, so it would key 4 and swing 150. And that of course doesn't sound very good. Sounds like you're on sideband across town. Okay, so what I've got it set here, a little over 30, maybe 35 watts there on high power. And now I'm going to turn it down to the 10 watt scale. Turn this down here. Let's see, he's got a full range all the way down to 2. Audio check, 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 check. Alright. Peak power, I've got a 250 watt slug. Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, 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 check. Okay. And there's no sideband on this unit. I gave the receiver a tune up there. This unit is for Baker, can I get a radio check real quick, Baker? Can anybody hear me over all that hiss and trash? I appreciate it, thank you.